Da-da-da-da-da-dun-dun.
Financial education is a very important thing, but it seems like nobody actually wants to talk about it. Hello everyone, my name is Mr.D, and welcome to my channel. If you are watching this, you are probably wondering why I'm making a video that isn't 100% related to learning English. The simple answer is that everything done in English is related to learning English. In this video you will be learning about English used in finance, while also learning the basics about financial literacy. My goal with these videos is to try and inspire more young people to learn how money works, and to realize that with enough patience and dedication, it's not impossible to save and generate some extra income. Before we continue with the lesson, please take a second to subscribe for more videos and also to smash the like button to help more people see this video. So first things first, what does finance mean? As a verb, finance refers to using money to pay for something which is usually expensive, like financing a trip to Europe or something in that line. However, we will be focusing on finance as a noun. In this sense, finance refers to managing money. This is a very important skill to learn, and just like any other skill, the sooner you start to learn it, the more skillful you will become. The next two important verbs you will need to know are pretty simple. They are saving and spending. When you save money, you are keeping it for something important later. This could be an emergency, a gift, or a reward to yourself. When you spend money, it means you are using money to buy something. You can save money to spend it later. Saving and spending money is how we manage our finances. Becoming financially literate means you learn how to save money so that you can spend on important things later. When you become older, these important things become a lot more. This means that you will have to manage saving and spending money on many different things, which can get very hard sometimes. That is why it's important for you to learn how to manage your money, or manage your finances, while you are young and while it is a little simpler than when you become an adult. Okay guys, I think that's enough information to get you started. Let's do a quick recap before we say goodbye and practice these new skills in real life. I want you to type in the comments what you understand by the terms finance, spending, and saving. Bonus points if you can give me an example by using the terms in a sentence. This is the first episode of a new series I'm working on to help young people learn the basics of money. This is something I feel very strongly about because not everyone has someone older to teach them these things. If you already understand what we discussed today, stay tuned for future episodes where we will be discussing more advanced ideas regarding finance. Thanks for watching to the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more great content in the future. Thank you for all the support, and I will see you again next time.